Okay, so your first challenge then with Python Tinctor is to create some basic shapes. So I want you to create a basic circle. It's going to look a bit like this. Okay, well, then we want you to create a basic square. It's going to run like this. And then I want you to do a star. Okay, so in a star, it's a bit like doing a circle, sorry, a bit like doing a square rather, but of course the angle in which we turn isn't quite the same. So we're not turning like 90 degrees. And of course we're doing more than four sides on the square. So we're turning our range then in our for loop. We'll have the number of sort of triangles coming out of the star. So whether it's 6 triangles or whatever. So our star will look a little bit like this. Okay. I just want to show you a little bit of code that I haven't showed you before, which is this. This is the start of them. So if you want to fill any of them, the circle, the star or the square, it's star dot and then begin underscore fill. So that will start filling in the shape, and then there's a corresponding end fill, star dot end underscore fill. Will end. So at the very end of our code, I want you to include that, and that will stop the filling sort of process. So begin fill is a new method that you haven't seen before that will colour in your drawing. So without that, you'll get just a plain shape outline. Okay, so I want you to just first of all, I want you to create the circle, the square, and the star. And if you're happy with that and you get that working, see if you can draw like a picture of the Irish flag, where we have the 3 upended sort of rectangles with the different colours. Okay, good luck on that.